Imagine opening an email from your bank. The logo looks real, the urgency feels real. It says your account has been compromised and you need to verify your identity right now. You click the link, type your password, and hit enter, but nothing happens. No confirmation, no relief. In that split second, you didn't save your account, you just handed the keys to a criminal. It happens thousands of times a day. And the scary part, it could happen to you right now. What is phishing? So what exactly just happened in that scenario? That, my friends, is phishing. Think of it like fishing in the real world. A fisherman puts a worm on a hook and drops it in the water. He doesn't know which fish will bite. He just waits for one that's hungry enough or distracted enough to take the bait. In the digital world, hackers are the fishermen. The bait isn't a worm, it's a fake email, a text message, or a social media DM designed to look legitimate. And you're the fish. They aren't hacking into the mainframe like in the movies. They aren't cracking complex codes. They are hacking you. They are exploiting human psychology, fear, curiosity, and urgency to get you to voluntarily hand over your sensitive information. Passwords, credit card numbers, social security details. Once they have it, it's game over. The bait. Common types of attacks. Now, you might be thinking, I'm too smart for that. I'd spot a fake email. But phishing has evolved. It's not just the Nigerian prince offering you millions anymore. Let's break down the most common traps waiting for you. Number 1. Email phishing. Deceptive phishing. This is the classic. You get an email from Netflix saying your payment failed, or PayPal claiming an unauthorized transaction of $500 just occurred. Panic sets in. You want to fix it immediately. You click the link provided, which leads to a fake login page that looks identical to the real thing. You type your credentials, and boom, they have your login. Number 2. Smishing, SMS phishing. Ever get a text saying, USPS, we couldn't deliver your package. Click here to reschedule. That's smishing. It's incredibly effective because we trust our phones more than our computers. We're often distracted, walking, or in a rush. We see the link, we tap it, and just like that, you've downloaded malware or landed on a credential harvesting site. Number 3. Spear phishing. This is where it gets personal. Unlike the spray and pray method of bulk emails, spear phishing targets you specifically. The attacker researches you on LinkedIn or Instagram. They know your boss's name. They know where you work. You get an email from your CEO asking you to quickly buy some gift cards for a client or transfer funds for an emergency project. It sounds like them. It uses their lingo, but it's a trap. Number 4. Social media phishing. Is this you in this video? You get a DM from a friend with a weird link. Your curiosity spikes. You click it, and it asks you to log into Facebook or Instagram again to view the content. You do it. Now the hacker has your account, and they start messaging your friends with the same link. The cycle continues. If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. The psychology of the click. Why do these attacks work? It's not about technical illiteracy. It's about emotional manipulation. Hackers use urgency. Act now or your account will be deleted. When we rush, we stop thinking critically. They use fear. The IRS is issuing a warrant for your arrest. Fear shuts down the logical part of our brain. They use curiosity. Check out these photos from the party. We just have to know what's inside. They use authority. When Apple or Microsoft tells you to update your software, you listen because you trust the brand. If you react emotionally to a message, you are already halfway to being hacked. The biggest mistake people make is assuming they will know a scam when they see it. The truth is, the best scams don't look like scams at all. They look like your everyday life. Red flags. How to spot a fake. Okay, take a breath. It sounds terrifying, but you have the power to stop this. You just need to know what to look for. Here are the red flags that scream phishing. The from address. Look closely. Does the email come from support@netflix.com or support-netflix-update@gmail.com? Legitimate companies send emails from their official domain. If the address looks messy, misspelled, or uses a public domain like Gmail or Yahoo for official business, delete it. Generic greetings, dear customer or dear member. Real organizations usually use your name because they have your data on file. If it feels impersonal, be suspicious. The link, the hover test. This is your superpower. On a computer, hover your mouse cursor over the link without clicking. A little box will pop up showing the actual URL destination. Does the email say it's from Amazon, but the link goes to amazon-security-check.xy-web.net? That's a trap. On mobile, press and hold the link to preview the URL. If it doesn't match the company perfectly, don't touch it. Spelling and grammar. Legitimate companies have professional copywriters. Hackers often don't. Weird phrasing, typos, or bad grammar are huge warning signs. Unsolicited attachments. If you weren't expecting an invoice, a receipt, or a document, do not open it. Attachments are a primary delivery method for malware and ransomware. Practical protection. Your defense strategy. Knowing the signs is step 1. But let's build a fortress around your digital life. Here is your protection checklist. Number 1. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Do this immediately, for everything: email, banking, social media. MFA requires a second step to log in, usually a code sent to your phone or an authenticator app. Even if a phisher steals your password, they can't get in without that second code. It stops 99.9% of account takeovers. Number 2. Stop clicking links. Adopt a zero-trust policy. If you get an email from your bank about an issue, don't click the link in the email, close the app. Open your browser, type in the bank's URL yourself, log in through the official portal. If there is a real issue, there will be a notification there. Never let the email take you there. Number 3. Verify with a second channel. If you get a weird request from your boss or a friend asking for money, pause, call them, text them, ask, "Hey, did you just send this?" Verify the request through a different communication channel than the one you received it on. Number 4. Use a password manager. Humans are terrible at creating passwords. We reuse password 123 everywhere. Password managers generate complex, unique passwords for every site and fill them in for you. Bonus: a password manager won't autofill your credentials on a fake phishing site because it doesn't recognize the URL. It's a built-in phishing detector. Number 5. Keep software updated. Those annoying update notifications. They often contain security patches for vulnerabilities that hackers use to infect your device if you click a bad link. Update your phone and computer regularly. So guys, the internet isn't going to get safer on its own. The attacks will get smarter, faster, and more personal, but you don't have to be a victim. Security isn't about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Slow down, verify before you click, and remember, your personal information is the most valuable currency you have. Guard it with your life. Don't be the fish that takes the bait. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and stay safe.